Hi, this is Bijita. Welcome to my channel once again. Today I'll cover a very important lesson and a very beautiful concept as well. So I would request all of you to go through this video carefully and thoroughly so that you can also gain this wonderful concept, and this will help you in your future. So I'm going to display a document wherein uh, withholding tax, extended withholding tax got posted. I had posted this document earlier, so I'm picking this number, a 18005. This is the document number I'm going to display. So extended withholding tax, I hope you all know. If you don't know, I'll put this link in the I button above, so you can therefrom you can go through and you can learn the extended withholding tax concept. However, in brief, with extended withholding tax is nothing but of deducting the TDS. Okay, so this is the document is actually the customer invoice document. See, customer invoice, it got posted in every 70 transaction. So here the customer got debited and the expenses, internet expenses, got credited. A normal customer invoice document. So there from I'm just going inside the customer line item. See, withholding tax data, a button has appeared. Why? Because against this document withholding tax code got extended withholding tax was assigned, and accordingly the the posting had happened. Okay, so here the PF extended withholding tax code was attached. Accordingly, PF means the professional tax. Accordingly, the extended withholding tax got deducted, amounting 55. This is the withholding tax amount. Now, the question is that it has happened where which one I have opened? I have opened this one, customer, which is a line item. Okay. So against this I had opened the withholding tax data button. Okay, so we all know when we post some document in SAP that gets updated in few tables. Any FI document we post in SAP that gets updated in two tables. One is BSAC table, another one is BKPF table. The header data gets stored in BKPF table and the line item data gets stored in BSAC table. But here is a catch. When we post a document with the extended withholding tax, then it updates another table. Okay, and that is, I'm just showing you, that is this table with underscore item, means withholding item. See, withholding tax info as per withholding tax type and FI line item. This is the description of the table. So this is the SA16NT code wherein I have given this table name, that is WITH underscore item. Okay, here I have given the company code and my document number is 18005. I'm just executing this. What all information is there in this document related to withholding tax, all will be shown under that table. It was the PF withholding tax code. Withholding tax amount was 55, base amount was 550. So again going to this one, see, this is the document number which I had already entered in the selection screen. Company code, fiscal year is coming in. Withholding tax type is also coming. It was the P withholding tax type. Withholding tax code was PF. Base amount was 550. Base amount was 550. Withholding tax amount is 55, as I have shown in the document itself. So now the concept is clear. When the document is posted with a withholding tax code, then along with the BKPF and BSAC table, another table gets updated with the information, that is with underscore item. And if anyone, if in any interview it is been asked that which If you post a document with a withholding tax code, then which table in the background gets updated? The simple answer is this: WITH underscore item. With underscore item, this table gets updated when we post a document with the withholding tax. So this is a very beautiful concept. I hope this is clear to you. If not, please put your queries in the comment section. I will surely try to answer all of your queries. I'll come up with some important videos in future. Till then, keep watching the channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.